What's going on, my friends? I think I started the camera. Yep, okay. Usually I don't start it with my visor down. So, this is going to be the first commute on the Shadow 600. This is going to be the first real look at it. We've taken our test drives, but we've never taken it this far. So, when I first started out, I feel like it was doing the same thing it did before. Kind of sputtering. And I don't know, it seems to have worked itself out. But I don't know why it does that when it sits. Still gotta get used to that second gear. I think when I shift in, it actually does make it. But sometimes I feel like I'm not in. All day, all I could think about was getting out and riding and my family. So I just had to ride after work. I work outside. It's almost 80 degrees today. So, luckily I got a half-hour ride home. So I get to enjoy this beautiful day in the end here. Now, am I in fourth gear? I am. Alright, so when I go from first to second, sometimes I don't think I hit it, and then I shift again and I'm in fourth already. So now I'm in second gear. I'm kind of feeling this bike out because, as I've said before, the tires aren't great. So I don't know how far I'm gonna push them. If I put some new tires on, I could probably trust her a little better. But now that we did the walk around, you guys know this is a V-twin, 583 cc's of pure Honda power. Man, when I talk like that, I start to cough. Alright. Like I said, these seats are very, very, very low, but it's a very comfortable riding position. The seat holds you in very good on this thing. 95 Honda Shadow. And when I peg it, woohoo! Like I said, I don't know this bike real well yet, so I don't want to push it too hard, but you got to do something on these twisty roads. These back roads are awesome. I think I'm still in second. You can stay in certain gears for a super long time. If I'm in second, I'm doing 65 in second. You just don't have to shift as much like the Magnas. The third gen Magna, you have 5-speed, and the older ones we have 6 with overdrive. So you shift a lot more to get all the power out of it and the performance. And I don't think this 600 Shadow was meant to be ridden hard. She's a nice little cruiser, good learning starter bike. But the way this thing runs, it makes me smile. So I feel like it's a good all-around cruiser. It's a tiny little bike, but she sounds good enough, and the seat's comfortable. I bet I could spend a lot of time on this bike. I don't believe you're going to be doing a lot of miles, because I think you can only get 100 miles out of a tank. I could see myself doing a whole trip on one tank and not feeling all that fatigued. And once I get used to this, I probably won't push it every time I pull the throttle. Someone in a previous video, thank you for asking questions, guys, asked what the comfortable cruising speed on this is. And I'd have to guess probably about 55, 60. I don't think you'd want to be tapped out. 65 is probably not bad. But I don't think you want to spend all day on the highway with this thing. And because there's no gear indicator, I really don't know what comfortable gear I'm in right now. Just cruising the back roads. Gotta love the countryside. There's some baby cows. Aw, they are so cute. I am doing over the speed limit. It's hard not to. Fellow rider, Harley Davidson. See, we can all get along, Shadows and Harleys. Let's see. I don't know what gear I'm in, but if I open up the throttle, I might be in third because she's not pouncing. If I go to fourth, she would just kind of lumber along. I probably wouldn't have as much grunt as I do right now. But right now, this and the Magna that I just got running are probably my favorite bikes. The Sabre V65 1100 is often one of my favorite bikes because it's always running, always doing what I needed to do. But right now I think the battery's seen its better days, so it needs a new battery and it needs a rear tire stem. So I don't want to ride that because I know the tire might lose air. I got to get that fixed up. So, like I said in previous videos, if the newest bike you get running and get riding is not your favorite, you're doing something wrong. This does seem pretty solid. I'm pretty sure this bike is going to be a great rider for many years to come. Almost 16,000 miles, that'll take up quick on this bike. The story behind this motorcycle is someone traded it in, wrote it in to one of my dealerships, and it sat there for a couple years, and then I said, come on, you got to sell it to me. So they did, and then I bought it, started working on it, got frustrated with it, parked it again, let it sit for 2 more years, and then I got working on it, and here we are. So yeah, she'll do 65 in second gear. I think I'm in third now. Let's just test it. Now I'm in fourth. Oh man, no wonder it didn't want to take off from me back there. We're in fourth gear, cruising. Let's see. Without a windscreen, yeah, I'd say 65 is about where I'd want to cruise with this. It's kind of a comfortable place. We got bugs out here. That means we're in spring. Love it. This is an awesome ride. Yeah, she pulls in fourth gear. I almost said sixth. Top gear. She pulls just fine. If you haven't gathered, she does have no baffles, stock pipes, and a stage 3 jet kit from Sigma Jets. That's just what I chose to do with it. K&N air filter to let more air through. I wasn't about to do velocity stacks. I don't want to mess with it too much. We got to slow down. But she's got a nice solid rumble. Seems to be doing what I want her to do. Now we're in second. Very solid, happy sounding bike. It's too bad we're stuck behind a hay truck, but that's what you get out here in the farms. Oh, now I'm gonna be itchy. This stuff is gonna be all over me. Getting scratchy already. Hopefully he's heading into one of these places real close. Yeah, it was 80 degrees today, and I had a great day at work and just wanted to come out here and roll right along. Well, that's enough of me yapping at you. Like and follow for more on this 1995 Honda Shadow 600 VLX. I will mention that this only has 4 speeds in the United States. For some reason, other markets like, I think Canada, they gave them a 5-speed. Over in Europe, I think they gave you a 5-speed. Why? I don't know. They just thought 4 gears was enough for us. So, I will see you on the next one. Get out and ride. And don't get hit by too much hay. Peace out.